everyone, welcome back to Dark Galaxy. Today we will be playing Airplane 3. It's kind of like a story game. This guy jumping around like that right in front of me is my little brother. His Roblox username is Animal Power 5. Okay, so let's go to a lift. Okay, let's go in this one, Animal. Well, obviously Animal isn't his real name, but I'll just address him by Animal. Okay. Only 3 players. Okay, so it looks like we won't have a very crowded lift. And I've only won once.
And I never won either.
Well. Okay, so looks like we're in this room. Oh, nice. There's a general there. Okay. Interesting. I'm just gonna sit down here. The other guy's at the very end. Okay, welcome everyone. You are probably wondering why I gathered you guys here. And then Airplane 3.
Sounds fun.
Yeah, it does. It's not always very easy. I'm the Robloxia States Army General. You can call me General Poncho. From this point on, everything I say should be taken as an order, or else you will be expelled from the team. By expelled, I think he means like you will die and respawn somewhere. Now, please take a seat. So if we don't take a seat, then we will die and respawn. And there's the objective right over there. No, I'm not gonna risk it and jump up then sit down again. Okay. What? Let's get to the point. I like these animations they made.
Yeah, they're quite cool.
Uh-huh. This is our target. His name is Ronald. We have investigated, and all we know is he is a dangerous Robloxian. What did he do? That is where we are heading. Ronald has kidnapped the captain of an airplane. Oh no! Everyone in that plane must be in danger. That is right. Luckily, the plane is still flying in autopilot mode, which means that everyone is safe. Our mission is to stop Ronald. We need to find the plane and get everyone out safely. We will find Ronald's intentions and bring him to justice. But how will we get to the plane? Good question. Follow me. Okay, I think it's safe to walk around now. Oh, that guy's gone. Oh, it's just me and my brother. Nice. Animal, it's just me and you in this lift.
Oh.
Okay. Where is this place, really?
It looks like
Everyone ready?
elevator.
Yeah, it does. Yes, we're ready, General. Going down. Wow, the general's just like floating. He's floating in midair. Lol. And it seems like my brother's trying to run back up. Not gonna work. Wait, where? Oh my god, he actually managed to go up there. Wow, this place looks really cool. Welcome to the military cave. Okay, so we need to get an outfit. I don't really want pink or purple. I don't really like those colors, honestly. I'm gonna try blue. I'm gonna do the blue. You can do the green. But first, let's get everyone set up. No one is leaving this place without a military outfit. Please take one behind you.
It looks like that is a airplane for us to get to Ronald's.
Yeah, it does. Looking good. I believe we are ready. Now let's check the system. And animal, do not fall down this time. Sorry, I just thought we were playing this before. And then my brother just ran off and fell. Okay, checking the plane. Not enough fuel. Oh no, it looks like we don't have enough fuel. We will need to fill the plane tank completely before we can take off. That is a fuel nozzle. There is 4 of these around the cave. I need you to help me connect them to the plane. Connect the nozzles to the plane depending on its color. Okay. I will fill the tank once all the nozzles are in place. Okay, animal, you get that one. I'll get the green one. Oh, nice. It looks like some mini obby too. Like a very small obby. Yeah, no, you don't. I just stepped on it. I just touched it. Okay, I got the green one. You got the red one. Nice. But I don't really think the teddy, if there is, I don't think it's very useful. Okay, I'll get the yellow one. You get the blue. Then we're almost done. Oh, seriously, it's the same obstacle I just did. And I got the yellow one.
It's funny, it looks like the fuel nozzle I picked up is going through the fence.
Oh, I lost a bit of my health.
Oh no.
But at least I didn't die. It's better than dying.
It's around here.
Oh, never mind. I really don't. Oh well. Oh, well, it's too late. Filling the tank now. Filling tank. It's gonna... Okay, it is full now. Nice. Now we're ready. Okay, my view is kind of bad, but there. Now what do we... Oh, I almost forgot. That's Pilot Clark. He will be our pilot through this mission. System is ready, General. Please start the engine, pilot. Starting the engine.
that we made.
Uh-huh. Engine's ready. Opening back door. Let's go in. I kind of want to get the teddy. Well, it won't. Okay, I got it. Nice. It's cute. Okay. Now get in there and find a seat before we close the door. Okay, I'm sitting next to the general. Wait, what is he doing? He's going like, kind of looks like he's typing, but there's nothing in front of him. Oh well. Closing door. Prepare for takeoff. I doubt. Good luck, soldiers. Wait, is he still gonna be with us? Okay, nice. I'm not gonna take the banana. Wait, we are now flying in the kidnapped plane direction. Even so, we still have a few hours until we get there. There is something about this Ronald guy. At first sight, he looks like a good person. Why would he do something like that? Yeah, why would he? General, what are these bananas for? Oh, I thought you could be hungry. Here, everyone have a banana. You might need the energy for later. Well, it could be poison or it could just be to give you more health. Yeah, no, it's to give you more health. Wait, don't eat the banana. It's poisoned. Oh my god, no. What? Haha, I'm just kidding. It's an old prank. That's not funny, General. I'm sorry, I just had to do it. Anyways, we will be flying for a few more hours. You might as well chill or take a nap. I'm just gonna take the... No, I don't have the banana anymore. I will wake you up when it's time. But actually, it is kind of good that I ate the banana when I still had it, because my health was kind of low, but then after I took one bite, it became full again, and now it's not visible because it's full. So that's good. Wow, it's time to wake up, everyone. Cool. It's nighttime and it looks like we are inside a storm. Yeah, it doesn't look too good out there. We need to be ready in case we have to. General, we were struck by lightning. Our right motor is in critical danger. Does that mean we will die? Not smiling. He's frowning. He always frowns. I will fix the motor, but I need everyone to cover me out there. Wait, out here? Okay. This is so scary. Well, no, it isn't. The storm is getting worse. Okay. Yeah, I will fix the motor as quick as I can. Oh, wow. Cover me and try not to get struck by lightning. Yep, I don't really want to get struck by lightning either. Okay, so I think those red dots, like red circles mean...
Nothing is coming to hit me.
Okay, wait, what if we go near the general? Cause like, I don't know, I just... Move! Don't die, please. Thank you.
Looks like it's going after 1 minute.
Well, not anymore. It's gonna be over in like 30 seconds. This isn't that hard, cause like the lightning isn't going almost everywhere, but not in the broken engine place. So that makes everything way easier. But I'm just gonna go. Well, I guess that's the con. Okay, I'm just gonna wander around. I know it's kind of dangerous, but I'm gonna just risk it. The motor's fixed now. Finally, the lightning's gone. Oh, I've never seen such a strong storm. What is he doing?
Looks like he's fixing that. It's a skeleton.
Ah, what's that? Wait, what's what? What's what? Where? Oh, wow. You will not stop this fate. Burn! Fire! Oh my god, there's fire. Quickly inside the plane. Okay, I'm in. I'm safe. What's that guy doing? Seriously, General. Sit down or walk. What are you doing to the floor? It doesn't need fixing. Pilot, is everything okay? Where is the skeleton? I'm sorry, General. I don't know what you are talking about. The giant skeleton. We didn't see no skeleton, General. Never mind. Let's keep moving. We're almost there.
When we were outside, we could have saw the pirates if we went down near the pirate place.
Oh,
I saw it. I went down.
General, we're finally here. Okay, nice. Now comes the real, like, risk. Yeah. Perfect. Everyone, pay close attention. What is he doing? We will sneak through the back door of the kidnapped plane. Is he glitched or something? We need to get everyone out safely before we go after Ronald. Burgess, get up. Once we are in there, we have one chance. Oh, God. Good luck, soldiers. He puts it in kind of an intense way.
It looks like he's going to break the floor for us to
Yeah, I guess. Oh my god, seriously, it's very irritating. This is it, we're in the plane. It's not really glitch, but yeah. It looks like Ronald covered the door. I wanted to do this my whole life. Oh no, we better hurry. Check the storage, see if you can find anything to open this door. Well, a cheese definitely won't work. It's shaking. Who has the hammer?
I got it.
Okay, nice. Great, you found a hammer. That will work. Whatever, if he's gonna stay like that, stay like that.
Ronald. Oh no, it looks like
It's over, Ronald. The guests are here. How did you get here? Oh, well, they're guests. Well, Roblox guests. There is no time to go after him. We need to save everyone on the plane first. Untie everyone before our time runs out. Okay, so we just need to tap him. I'll do guys here.
One of the babies said is.
Well, okay, we're there. General, I inform you all the noobs are now safe in the aircraft. Great. But there is still one left. The captain. Oh no, how are we meant to save the captain? Guide talk. This is it. We just have one chance to try and talk with Ronald. Who wants to be the hero? Me. I wanna. Okay, yay, me. I will do it. Because I will do it. Alright. We trust you, ATCing with me. That's me. Ronald, open that door. We can work this out. How did you get here? Ronald, let the captain go. You don't understand anything. You are ruining my plans. I deserve this. Listen to what I'm going to say. Okay, so it's over here. Okay, what is wrong, Ronald? I've seen the ending with that. I want to try that. Okay. What is wrong, Ronald? Tell us what made you do this. And it might even change him to be good. Ever since I was a kid, everyone made fun of me. When I had problems, there was no one there. All I ever wanted is a friend. We can be friends. You don't have any friends because you're crazy. Nope. Ronald, you don't have to do this. We can be your friends. We can save you. Friends? Would you really do that for me? Yes. We'll be your friends because you are a good person inside. I don't know if you can save me. I've taken things too far. Yes, you have, Ronald. You're right. It's never too late to do things right, Ronald. Let's get out of this one together. Okay, I will. I will become a good person. I'm not feeling well. Oh no. He's gonna faint. Ronald! Are you okay? Oh no. Fire. General! The captain room is burning. What is the general doing? Like seriously, there is no time. The plane is about to explode. Oh no. Take this parachute. Where is the parachute? Okay. Got one. This parachute. But General, what about you? We won't leave you here. I will save Ronald and the captain. I know. There is no time. Just go. It was a pleasure working with you, soldiers. Sad. What? The back emergency door is open. We need to get there and jump. Where? Okay, this here. Yeah. Okay, what? We should? and jump. Okay, my parachute's working. Oh, I see you are. I mean, animal. Okay. Are we almost there yet?
We land on the nukes. I see the nukes dancing. I think I see the plane.
I can't. Okay, wait, I'm going right underneath you. Like, right. Oh, I see, like, some land, I guess. I'm gonna land on top of you. I want it on top. Oh, no. Boy. Yay.
What's going to happen next?
Hi, everyone. Oh, wow. They're dancing.
Yeah.
Look at the tiny one. Lol. There is, no, that's not the general. That's not the general. There's some soldiers and all these people. Okay.
Someone wants my teddy bear.
Hey, Captain. You made it.
Look, someone wants my teddy bear.
Oh, that kid saying, thank you for saving my dad. I did thanks for saving my life. But where is General Poncho? General Poncho gave his life to save everyone on that plane. He's a hero and so are you. Thank you for your service, soldiers. I feel bad for General Poncho, but nice. I know General Poncho is proud wherever he is.
Oh, look, General Poncho's in the sky.
Yeah, like a constellation.
Yeah. Good ending.
Airplane 3,
Good ending.
Victoria, yay. By the way, there are two different endings. If you did my path, like the things I selected, you'll end up with this. But if you do everything I didn't select, it will be a whole different ending. Okay, maybe another time, animal. Okay, so we've finally finished this game. It was really fun and interesting. And thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And comment down below. Thank you for watching and bye.
Bye.